Hey you guys, we just left the pool. I'm about to show you my routine for the summertime. How to maintain your locks after the pool. Stay tuned. Alright, hey you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Like I stated, I'm going to show you my summer routine after the pool. First things first, you want to make sure you do not let your hair dry with chlorine in it. Very first thing, okay? So I'm going to get ready and wash my hair. I'll show you what I wash with and what I condition with. I am going to do a retwist, but I'm not going to put it in this video. I'll make another video for that one. Alright? Stay tuned.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game.
I've been growing my hair for 7 years. Do my own hair. If you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe. Hit the little bell so you can get notification. Okay, so now I am fresh out of the shower. I used this shampoo. Alright. I don't use conditioner that I wash out, but I will be putting this Cantu leave-in conditioner in. And then after that, I'm going to use some coconut oil. I'll show you that as well. I'm not going to dry tonight. I'm going to go ahead and let it air dry. I'm not going to retwist tonight. I'm going to just use a scarf tomorrow. And I'll show you my style tomorrow too. Alright, so pretty much I took the conditioner, the leave-in. I put it all over my dreads. The bottom, the base, the root. Let's make sure your hair stays moisturized. Okay. Alright. So once you've made sure that all of the leave-in conditioner is rubbed all in, I like to add a little bit of coconut oil. I'm going to use 100% pure coconut oil by the brand OK. Okay? Deep moisturizing. Skin and hair. Alright, now that I have put all the products in my hair for the night, braided it, just put 4 big braids in it. So, as you can see, I have not retwisted my hair yet. But after my lock maintenance, this is how my hair lays. It's really humid. I'm in Chicago. It's hot. Alright. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.